Hello guys, in this video we will see fix Spock's update error 0x88050084 offline update network fix guide will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 0. Check network connection. Content ensure your Xbox console is connected to a stable internet connection. Begin by checking your router's status and confirming that other devices can access the internet without issue if your internet is working for other devices, but not your Xbox tray. Power cycling both your modem and router by unplugging them from the power source for about seconds, then plugging them back in. Test your Xbox internet connection again after this process. If problems persist, contact your internet service provider to troubleshoot any potential network connectivity issues on their end. Consider a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi, as this provides a more stable connection for updates.
Step power cycle your Xbox. Content completely power down your Xbox console. This means fully unplugging the power cable from the console, waiting for at least 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. This process clears the console's cache and allows for a fresh start, potentially resolving temporary software glitches that could be causing the update error. Avoid using the quick start option. Instead, fully shut down the system once the console restarts. Attempt to run the update again.
Step perform an offline update. Content download the offline Xbox update file from the official Xbox support website. Locate the appropriate file for your specific Xbox console model. This will be a large file, so ensure you have sufficient storage space on the USB drive formatted to FAT to copy the downloaded update file to the USB drive's root directory, not within any folders. Insert the USB drive into your Xbox and navigate to the settings menu. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the update from the USB drive.
Step check for and clear system cache content. Sometimes corrupted cache data can interfere with updates. Clear the system cache on your Xbox console by completely powering down the system, as in step while holding down the bind button on your console, usually located on the front near the eject button. Press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. This initiates a deep system reset once the console reboots. Attempt to install the update again.
Step contact Xbox support content if the previous steps have not resolved the facts of the error. Contact Xbox support directly. Provide them with the error code and details of the troubleshooting steps you have already taken. Xbox support may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting advice or guide you through more advanced solutions, such as a factory reset. Remember to back up your data before doing so. They may also be aware of any known issues with the current update.